Oshie, Hi guys, today we are going to make a paper bag craft. If you have a paper bag, you can take a paper bag or you can take a gift bag like this. We have to remove one side, only the rope we have to remove. Take a white sheet paper and stick it on the paper bag. Do what I did. Take 3 popsicle sticks, 1 red and 2 yellow. First, we have to place the yellow popsicle sticks in the side and the red one in the center. Like this with the glue. Now, paper bag base is ready for my brother and me. Now, draw the unicorn face on the paper base. My brother like minion, so he draw it on the paper bag base. Now, the unicorn face is done. Now, we have to prepare the unicorn horn and the ears. Take a white paper for the unicorn horn and the ear. Mom's help, I drawed it. Rate the picture with glitter. And I added butterflies like this. See, my brother give color to minion. I'm giving color to the unicorn's hair. You can choose any colors. Now horn, ears and hearts, butterflies and hair is ready. Now I fixed everything for the unicorn. Believe in magic and subscribe to the channel and click the bell button. See you later.